Welcome! If you want to add account to your Google Play Store on the Samsung Galaxy S21, at the first you have to go for the Play Store. Next, tap right here on the right upper corner, click to add another account, input your currently logged method, click next, and right now we can easily input our email, click next, and then we have to input our password. If you finish, you can go forward. And when you open Play Store right now, we can easily switch between these two accounts. And as you can see, it's very easy. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel. See ya!